reasons why your skin is dry, and how to reverse it naturally. Have you ever wondered why your skin occasionally feels dry or itchy? Let's explore the world of dry skin without diving too deep into complex details. I've got straightforward tips to maintain your skin's happiness and glow. Get ready to uncover uncomplicated, natural solutions that will elevate your skincare game. Let's dive in and make your skincare routine a breeze. Common causes of dry skin. Number 1. Weather woes. In cold and dry climates, harsh weather conditions present a formidable challenge to skin health. The low humidity levels and cold temperatures create an environment that strips the skin of its natural oils, leading to a state of unwelcome dryness. As the skin loses its essential moisture, the protective barrier becomes compromised, rendering it more susceptible to dehydration. The adverse impact of such weather woes contributes to increased transepidermal water loss, ultimately leaving the skin more prone to dryness and discomfort. Number 2. Inadequate nutrients. Insufficient intake of key vitamins and minerals can compromise the skin's ability to retain moisture, leading to dryness, flakiness, and a dull complexion. Nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants play a vital role in maintaining skin integrity, promoting hydration, and protecting against environmental stressors. Number 3. Hot showers. Indulging in long, hot showers can intensify dry skin, as the elevated water temperatures strip away the skin's natural oils, resulting in parched and notably dehydrated skin. The allure of hot showers may be tempting, but the aftermath is often a compromised skin barrier that struggles to retain essential moisture. Lukewarm water, in contrast, proves gentler on the skin, aiding in the preservation of natural oils and mitigating excessive dryness. The application of a moisturizer to damp skin post-shower serves as a crucial step to lock in hydration and counteract the drying effects of hot water. Number 4. Harsh face cleansers. Cleansers that are harsh and contain strong chemicals can significantly affect the protective layer of your skin, known as the lipid barrier. These powerful ingredients have the potential to throw off the delicate balance of this layer, leading to a loss of important moisture. The lipid barrier is crucial because it helps keep your skin hydrated and stops moisture from escaping. Therefore, it's really important to choose cleansers that are gentler and moisturizing to protect this balance and keep your skin naturally moisturized. Number 5. Age factors. As time passes, aging becomes a factor that contributes to dry skin. The skin's natural ability to produce oils decreases with age, making it more prone to dryness. This is a natural part of getting older, but there are natural ways to slow down these processes, which we will be talking about later in this video. Number 6. Dehydration. When your body doesn't get enough water, your skin can suffer from dehydration. Hydrated skin starts from within, and if you're not drinking enough water, your skin's moisture levels can take a hit, and it will also affect all of your body system, leading to serious complications. This highlights the importance of maintaining a well-balanced and adequately hydrated body to ensure your skin stays properly moisturized and healthy. Natural remedies for reversing dry skin. Number 1. Hydration. Of course, number 1 would be to drink plenty of water. Initiating the battle against dry skin begins with internal hydration. Ensuring a daily intake of sufficient water is paramount for maintaining skin moisture levels. Drink 8 to 10 glasses or 2 to 2.5 liters of water a day. Number 2. Healthy food for skin. The saying, "You are what you eat," holds true for your skin too. A balanced diet isn't just good for your body, it's essential for healthy skin. Including foods with omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and chia seeds, can boost skin hydration. Additionally, munching on antioxidant-rich fruits like berries and veggies like spinach is like giving your skin a shield against free radicals that can lead to dryness. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, think of it as a beauty shopping spree for your skin. Number 3. Moisturize. Choosing the right moisturizer for your skin is like giving it a personalized treat. Look for moisturizers that match your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or somewhere in between. To amp up the nourishment, go for ones that have hydrating ingredients, like hyaluronic acid, which is like a drink of water for your skin, glycerin for that extra moisture lock. It's like a tailored spa day for your skin, keeping it happy and hydrated. Number 4. Humidify your space. If you live in a dry climate, it can be tough on your skin because the air lacks moisture. To tackle this challenge, consider bringing in a humidifier to your living space. A humidifier adds much-needed moisture to the air, acting like a shield against the dryness that can make your skin feel tight and uncomfortable. It's like giving your skin a breath of fresh, moisturized air, helping to keep it soft and hydrated despite the dry conditions outside. Number 5. Gentle exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is like giving your skin a fresh start. It's a crucial step to get rid of dead skin cells, making way for moisturizers to work their magic better. Think of it as sweeping away the old to make room for the new. When exfoliating, go for natural options like sugar, baking soda, or oats. They're like gentle scrubbing buddies that help to brighten your skin without being too harsh. It's a bit like giving your skin a mini refresh, leaving it looking smoother and more radiant. Number 6. Natural oils. Using natural oils like jojoba, almond, or olive oil in your skincare routine is great to shield against dryness. These oils work by mimicking the skin's natural oils, creating a protective layer that helps to keep your skin nourished and moisturized. Plus, these oils are packed with nutrients that can benefit your skin, making them a natural and effective addition to your skincare regimen. Number 7. Oatmeal soaks. Oats, known for their anti-inflammatory powers, play a starring role in soothing dry and itchy skin. Taking an oatmeal bath is like creating a comforting oasis for your skin. The oats work their magic by calming irritated skin and providing much-needed relief. Number 8. DIY masks. Creating homemade masks with ingredients like honey, yogurt, or avocado is like tapping into the natural wonders of skincare. These DIY concoctions harness the power of nature to provide a rejuvenating experience. Honey, with its natural humectant properties, locks in moisture. Yogurt brings a dose of soothing lactic acid, and avocado delivers healthy fats that nourish the skin. Together, these ingredients form a powerhouse of moisture and nutrients, working to breathe life back into dry and dull skin, leaving it revitalized and glowing. And there you have it, the roadmap to banishing dry skin and unveiling your skin's natural radiance. By understanding the causes, from harsh weather to dehydration, and embracing simple yet effective remedies, you're on your way to healthier, happier skin. You don't have to do everything immediately, especially if you have a busy schedule. See what you can incorporate in and enjoy the effect. It's a journey of self-care, powered by nature, leading to that vibrant, glowy skin you deserve. Here's to your radiant skincare adventure. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.